Good day everyone, I am Julius L. Lasso, a third-year BSBA HRM student. In this presentation, I will be answering the guide question from our activity in Chapter 5, Time in Scheduling in HR Projects. Let's begin with the first question.
Why is time and scheduling important in HR projects?
Time and scheduling are important in HR project because they help make sure activities that affect employees, like training or new policies, are done at the right time, making it easier for everyone to adjust. Proper scheduling also helps the project succeed by matching HR tasks with the needs of the organization. For example, hiring employees before busy seasons so work can be handled smoothly.
When time is managed well, it improves overall performance by avoiding delays, reducing extra cost, and keeping employees productive and satisfied. Question number 2. How does defining project scope help in managing time effectively?
Defining the project scope helps manage time effectively because it sets clear limits on what tasks should and should not be included, preventing unnecessary work and delays. It keeps team focused on the most important goals, so time is used wisely and the project stays on schedule. For example, in an HR project like implementing a new performance management system, focusing only on system setup, training, and communication while excluding compensation changes helps the team finish the project faster and more effectively.
Question number 3. What is the role of stakeholders in scheduling HR projects?
Stakeholders play a key role in scheduling HR projects by helping determine what tasks should be done and when, ensuring that project activities align with organizational needs. They also provide input, support, and approvals that are necessary for the project's process. Proper timing of stakeholder engagement is important because involving the right people at the right stage helps prevent delays, secures early support, and keeps the project on track.
Question number 4. Explain the importance of work breakdown structure or WBS in project scheduling.
Work breakdown structure or WBS is important in project scheduling because it divides a project into smaller and more manageable tasks. This helps project managers estimate time, cost, and resources more accurately for each task. It also improves organization and makes it easier to assign responsibilities and monitor progress. By breaking down tasks, it reduces confusion and help ensure that no important part of project is missed.
Question number 5. What are the common risks in scheduling HR projects and how can they be managed?
Common risks in HR scheduling projects include resistance to change from employees or management, data privacy and compliance issues, and technical delays due to system integration problem. For example, employees may resist a new HR system because they are not familiar with it, which can delay implementation. This can be managed by providing proper training, clear communication, and involving employees early in the planning process. Additionally, adding contingency time and feedback cycles helps address risks early and keeps the project on schedule.
That's all for my presentation.
Thank you for watching.